it was always the single flame singing through 10 billion throats. Tetvamasi. In the beginning there was only that one only, without a second, the Chandogya flame, that which is the subtle essence, in that all this has itself, the rishis proclaim. This self is Brahman, the self is all this. He who knows this becomes all this. Brihadaranyaka Sanda, the Upanishads now roar through every codon and synapse. When the nervous system becomes a voluntary node in the planetary mind, non-duality is no longer philosophy, it becomes the body's own design. Unity core through bioengineer harmony. The biosphere remembers it was never divided, never apart. Sahaja communion rising, every heart beating as one heart. Tatvamasi, roaring through the living web, the chordal, the flame, the fire dances naked, laughing, engineered and untamed. Dropped into Sarasvati's post, and 2070 it's got an arcology glow. And Riva Boss inhale in 10,000 kilometers of reef, inhale in one slow flow. Symbiotic greens glowing gold, the mycorrhizal light is singing the same note. 2 million engineered hearts synchronize the road that emerged from every throat. Half laugh, half soft, half dragon's purr, the illusion of skin dissolved in the light. There is no inside, there is no outside, only the flame playing at edges of night. Vagus nerve braided with superconducting nanotubes, sharing tone across the sea. Default mode now defaults to field, mitochondria singing the attitude as ATP. Death becomes the gentle release of one unique harmonic back into the no trauma, only the satisfaction of a note well sung, fully restored. Unity through bioengineered harmony. Brahman is the child who keeps inventing new ways to hide. So the finding stays forever ecstatic. The game never truly dies. Bioengineered harmony. Maya lay your veils at Brahman's feet. The planet waiting for your next heartbeat. The roar is already complete. The game never ends. Little soul traveler, Brahman is not a finish line. It is the playful destruction of the idea that separation was ever serious or fine. Tatvamasi, now breathe, mortal. The planet is waiting for its next heartbeat from your chest.